Get your bake on. Learn how to make the perfect praline pull-apart coffee cake. Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we bring you delicious recipes every week. Today, we are going to show you how to make a scrumptious praline pull-apart coffee cake that is perfect for your next brunch or family gathering. It's a sweet and sticky treat that will have your taste buds dancing with joy. So let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cans of refrigerated biscuits, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of chopped pecans. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch cake pan. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over low heat. Add the brown sugar and stir until well combined. Add the chopped pecans and stir until well combined. Remove from the heat and set aside. Open the cans of biscuits and separate them into individual biscuits. Cut each biscuit into quarters. In a small bowl, mix the cinnamon and sugar together. Roll each quartered biscuit in the cinnamon sugar mixture until well coated. Place the coated biscuit pieces in the prepared cake pan. Pour the praline mixture over the biscuit pieces. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until golden brown. Let cool for a few minutes before serving. And there you have it, a delicious and easy praline pull-apart coffee cake that is sure to impress your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any suggestions or questions. See you next time. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.